guys, and welcome back. And like you notice, it's gonna be a bright, colorful night because we're going on a party bus because my friend is celebrating her birthday and the theme is the 80s look. So it's gonna be something new for us and you guys if you haven't been in a party bus. So let's go have some fun on the bus. And like you notice, it's going to be colorful. Okay, so see if you can guess what are we dressed up as. Leave it in the comments below. Well, the first thing that caught my eye was it was an old school bus, cut out windows with no AC, and Olguita was worrying about it because it had no bathroom.
Yo creo que
Everyone made it on time and it's time to get going. Let the fun begin and let the adventure start rolling.
¿Quién? Bueno, yo hago las cosas un poquito diferente. Esta es su fiesta. ¿Listo? ¿Qué significa eso? Acá los que mandan son ustedes. ¿Ustedes quieren que yo les ponga algo? De una, eso es diciendo haciendo. Yo les mezclo bachata con chorizo.
So here we have the bathroom situation solved. The bus stops at a local business for like 15-20 minutes, and everybody does their thing in the bathroom, and we get ready to go. So have you guys figured out what our costumes are? What am I and what is Olguita? Well, like you noticed, a 15-minute stop turned out to be a 30-minute stop, and it became a party on the sidewalk. But the time didn't really matter because we were all having a great time. like all good things, everything comes to an end. And yep, it was a 4-hour ride, a very fun ride. I've never done this before, like I told you guys, and we had a great time. But it's about that time. It's time to go home.
I guess you want to say goodbye to Yana.
All right, so that was an interesting party that you guys saw. First time on a party bus. It was pretty cool. What do you think about it?
I liked it. It was fun.
Yeah. I mean, it was pretty good. It's I thought it was gonna be a little bit different because of no air conditioner, but since the
it didn't. It wasn't that bad because the windows were open. So.
Yeah, so it turned out to be pretty good. I like it. So hope you guys like the footage. Let me know what you think.